Beautiful people, it's Nate here on the Nate Bauer Fitness YouTube channel. Let's get busy. To Sean Paul, throwing your hands to hyped boxing workout. Number 2, cue the intro. High-powered, full action, earbuds in, let's get to work. Move your hands to the beat of the music, and that's it. It's about 11 and a half minutes long. If you want to do this workout twice, you know what to do. If you want the full series, you can follow that in the description. Hit Nate Bauer Elevated app or Nate Bauer Elevated website. Join there, and you'll get all my hyped series available for you on those 2 platforms. Let's go, guys. It's about to get busy. Let's go. Your first song is Get Busy, Sean Paul. Let's get into it. The first workout or the first component to this, you're going to be doing a step jab, any direction that you want. Have fun with it. Throw hands to the beat of the music. And of course, when you want to add punches, throw them in. Let's go. Move around. Watch me. Let's get into it. Step, jab, go, step, jab, 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 jab. Keep going. Jab, jab, jab. Step 1, 2. Right now, let's go. Step, jab, cross. Step, jab, cross. Step 1, 2. 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 1, 2, 3. 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 Yeah, come on, guys. 1, 2, 3. Step 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Step 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 6, 3. 1, 1, 2. Go. 6, 3. 1, 1, 2. Uppercut, hook. Jab, jab, cross. 6, 3. 1, 1, 2. Go. Let's go. Flow. Bounce. Now, here we go. You're going to duck right 2, duck left 1. Duck right 2, duck left 1. Let's go. Duck, 2, duck, 1, duck, 2, duck, 1. Raise the leg. Opposite hand, opposite knee. Duck as you flow. Let the hands go. Power. Now footwork, 4 steps back. Right here, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Step, 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 step. Go in, out, 2, 3, 2. In, out, 2, 3, 2. Go in, out, 2, 3, 2. In, out, cross, hook, cross. Ah, come on, guys. Powerful footwork. Slick combos. In, out, 2, 3, 2. Yeah, come on. You're not tired yet. Quick shots on beat. Boom. Finish strong. Find your rhythm while letting your hands go. Keep the energy high as we finish song 1. Almost home. And on your toes. Go work, warriors, champions. You won round 1. Let's get into song number 2. The first combination will be a cross lead uppercut cross, a 2-5-2. Hear the rhythm of the song. Hear the rhythm of the music. You can practice or recover. You know what 252 is coming up. A nice instrumental to get into song number 2. Let's go. 252. Move around. 252. Move around. 252. Take a step. 252. No regrets. Keep going now. Yup. Song number 2. Kicking it. Kicking it. 2 spiritual steps, 2 lateral steps. Pop, pop, step, step. Pop, pop, step, step. Fast feet, step, step. Yeah, let's go. Pop, pop. 2 steps. Get over there. Fast feet, strong steps. Few more. Let's go back. 252, slip, slip. 252, slip, slip. 252, slip, slip. 252, slip, slip. What a transition. You're an all-star. You can't be touched. No one's breaking your flow. Feel the flavor. Sprinkle your own energy on it. 2 spiritual steps, 2 lateral steps. Pop, pop, step, step. Pop, pop, step, step. Fast feet, step, step. Yeah, let's go. Pop, pop. 2 steps. Get over there. Fast feet, strong steps. Few more. Now move and work. Move, work, reset. Move, work, reset. Move, work, reset. Song number 2 is done. Yes. We're gonna hit Sean Paul one more time. You're gonna step with a cross and step with a hook. Step 2, step 3, step 2, step 3. We'll start it off. Now you can figure out what works best with you in terms of when you should throw your combinations, what beat works best. But that's how we start. Let's go, squad. Just a few combos with that step 2, step 3. Let's go. Step 2, step 3, step 2, step 3, step 2, step 3. Keep going. 1, 4, dot right 6. 1, 4, dot 6. 1, 4, dot 6. 1, hook, duck, upper. 1, 4, duck, upper. Nice. Flow with this. Duck right 6. 1, 4, duck right 6. Now step 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Step 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Step 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now 4, 6, pivot. 1, 4, 6, pivot. 1, 4, 6, pivot. 1, hook, upper, turn, jab. It's a good girl turn Get ready. 6, 3, block right 5. 6, 3, block, upper. 6, 3, block right 5. 6, 3, block right 5. Defense. Offense. 6, 3, block right 5. Now, 3 body 6, cover, step. 3 body 6, cover, step. 3 body 6, cover, 6. 3 body 6, cover, step. Again, 4 steps back. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Forward. On beat. Step. Turn. If you want to throw punches, let it go. Sprawl on the floor. Take a step. Go. Sprawl. Up. Step. Sprawl. Back. Step. Sprawl. Back. Step. Sprawl. Back. Step. Sprawl. Up. Step. Now, move. You've won. Move a little. You've won. Good job, champions. You can check this full series out at NateBauerElevate.com or on my app. Both of those can be found in the description. Good job, Warriors. If you want more, do this bad boy again.